What's good? What's good, man? How y'all people doing early this morning? So, it's a news alert, update alert. Your boy Miami T is gonna possibly be doing some collaborations with, I ain't gonna say a new partner, but we're gonna shoot a few videos. Y'all check out her Instagram. Her Instagram is Run It Up Santana. So, man, y'all stay tuned for it, man. We're gonna come up with some crazy stuff for y'all. So I'm up here at my boy shop, man, today. For all y'all tuner cars, tuner enthusiasts, imports, fast and furious cars. That's what I call them, little race cars. All that kind of lifestyle, man. Yeah, check them out, man. Got my boy car right here. Man, when I say this thing all the way to the ground, this thing man, I can't even get my finger under there. Got the Dodge Viper coming in. They doing big things. Got my boy Mikey over here. Look, man, look at that car. Let me see if I can get a finger up under his wheel. Oh, barely. Barely I can get some finger action up under there. But this one right here, man, I can't get no finger up under there. Y'all see what it is? Man, I'm feeling that blue. That's a good look. My boys over here putting in work, man. Look at them. Man, when I say things is under construction, it's under construction.
So drive door. So the inside trim, I can get the feature on it, but the door itself, it has the plug. It's not like mine, so I can run it through the
He's helping the other installer real quick. I'll let him know.
So if y'all in Tampa, man, y'all come to Audio Tent Pros, man. They doing it big. They doing big things up here.
Because it plugs in right there. So, like Mark said, you unplug it, you'll never get it back in normal. You want water, none of that shit down in there. That's what I was thinking, but
So when I say they gutting them, they gutting them. See what they got going on over here.
it's gotta be like in a spot. I bumped the speaker in and it clears flat.
I see some wires. Oh, so they going with the tar amps, going with the audio pipe subs. Okay, they're doing some things over here. Yeah, man. So personally, y'all know me, man. I'm a Chevy rider all day, but you know, I figured, man, I'll switch it up a little bit, you know, because there's a lot of people that's, well, I'm gonna say this generation right here. You know what I'm saying? This is what they into. But the crazy part about it is when I was well, they're younger than me, but they not that much younger than me. Well, I don't know, I might be old enough to be their dad or something, but however it go, I did that kind of thing, man, you know, with the Volkswagens and the Rabbits and stuff, but I guess, you know, I guess it's coming back. Yeah, but this the kind of work they do, man. Airbags, that suspension, the music. If you even want to get your car painted, yeah, they got a shop. They do all that. They got 3 locations. There's a little Viper. Yeah, that's that old school right there. Yeah, I got itty bitty on there. And they was asking me, they was like, yo man, let us slam itty bitty to the ground. I was like, nah man, if I do anything, he did all that noise making it wasn't going nowhere. But if I do anything to itty bitty, which I doubt it because y'all know, man, I basically do a lot of traveling with itty bitty. That's the purpose of me having that car. I don't know, car, small SUV, whatever to me, I don't know, man. To me, it's not big enough to be a SUV, but y'all know my past SUVs, and whew, man, y'all know my past SUVs, man, Escalades and Tahoes. We're gonna keep it like that forever. But man, look at this car. See what's on that dash, on that window, so it let you know he all about that race life, that fast life. Now let's go in and just disrespect the store and see what's going on in the store. Got y'all boys out there putting in work.
Need some more rims?
Huh?
You clean some more rims?
Nah, I ain't cleaning no rims. Yeah, I did him a favor, man. I came in and I cleaned up the rims for him. Matter of fact, I improved the business. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That's that nice candy right there. My daughter came in, sweeping up the shop, cleaning up the floors. That's how it is. Y'all stay around for it, man. It's your boy Miami T, and I'm out. Mark, what you got to say, man?
Come check out Audio 10 Pros Tampa. You already know. All your installs, audio, suspension, wheels, tires, we got it all.
You gotta throw out a number or something.
Come at 13759 North Nebraska Avenue, Tampa, Florida, 33613.
Who to ask for?
Mark, baby. You already know.
One and only.
Appreciate you.
That being said, man, this your boy Miami T. We out.